Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tante Oktaventi Ramadhania. I am a 5th semester student and this is my midterm public speaking test. Through this video, I will answer 4 questions related to public speaking. First of all, as a public speaker, nervousness is something very natural, and almost everyone feels it. The important thing is not to remove nervousness, but to manage it so we can speak confidently. There are some simple ways to reduce nervousness. First, we need to prepare and practice before speaking. When we understand our material well, we feel more confident. Second, we can take deep breaths to calm our mind and body. This really helps to reduce shaking for a fast heartbeat. Third, we should thinking positively and remind ourselves that it's okay to make mistake. Positive talk can change how we feel. And last, try to smile and make eye contact with the audience because it makes the atmosphere more comfortable. From my own experience, I used to feel very nervous in class presentation, but after practicing breathing techniques and thinking positively, I became more confident. So, nervousness is normal, and we can manage it with preparation, deep breathing, positive thinking, and connection with the audience. For the second question, I confidently agree that deep research on the presented topic is a crucial aspect in preparing public speaking. When we speak in front of an audience, we have a responsibility to deliver correct and meaningful information. Research help us to understand the topic clearly, choose accurate facts, and avoid mistakes. With good research, we can explain ideas more confidently and answer audience the question better. It also helps us organize our speech in a logical and structured way. With our research, our speech might sound empty, confusing, or unprofessional. For example, when I prepare a presentation about social media effects, I read articles and watch related videos. I was able to support my opinion with real data, and it made my presentation stronger. Deep research is important because it builds confidence, increases credibility, and improves the quality of our public speaking. For the third question, I want to share my experience when I deliver public speak in the class. I still remember the moment when I had to speak in front of my classmates, and at that time I felt very nervous. I spoke too fast, and I found it difficult to maintain eye contact because I keep looking my notes. Because of that, some of my classmates looked confused, and I realized that my message was not delivered clearly. From that experience, I learned that there are several aspects I need to improve. First, I need to manage my speaking speed so the audience can understand my points clearly. Second, I should practice maintaining eye contact to build connection and trust with the listeners. Third, I need to control my body language, especially avoiding unnecessary hand movement. Even though the presentation was not perfect, it helped me understand my weakness and grow better as a public speaker. Now, I try to practice more and be more confident. For the fourth question, after reading the chapter listening effectively, I think this topic is very important for becoming a good public speaker. Many believe that public speaking is only about talking, but actually, listening is also a key element. A speaker needs an audience who is not only hearing but truly listening. When we understand how listening works, we can communicate more clearly and effectively. Active listening helps us connect with the audience, understand their reaction, and adjust the message to keep them engaged. It also helps us respond better when there are question or feedback. The book say that being heard is one thing, but speakers need listeners to complete the communication process. I really agree with that. For me, listening is important because it teaches us to respect others and think before we speak. By improving our listening, we can be more successful academically, personally, and personally. So, effective listening is not only useful for the audience, but also a powerful tool that helps us become better and more meaningful public speaker. So these are my response to the four question. Thank you for very much for your attention and for watching until the end. I sincerely hope that we can continue to grow and enhance our abilities in public speaking. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.